Hey y'all, welcome back to Natural Things Key channel. So we're gonna get into it. We're doing a hot oil treatment on my hair. So with that being said, let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So we're just gonna put this starting from the root of our hair down to the ends of our hair, the oldest part of our hair. Alright, so we're going to continue to do it and stay tuned for the finished result. So basically with the hot oil treatments, I like to do it more of like in the winter because it's cold air and we want to keep the moisture inside of our hair, of course. I was using leave-in conditioner at one point, but then I just stopped because I don't know, me doing my own research, it can affect your locks, but it can't in a way. There's pros and cons, I feel like, but the most natural way and what I used to always use on my hair was coconut oil. So we're going back to what we know, period. So stay tuned. Bam. All right, so then we are just going to go ahead and put a plastic cap on there. Depending on your hair length, you might have to do two like me, so the moisture is capped in. Boom, you see me. Okay, medium, you want to put it on if you got a blow dryer. And I stayed in there for 10 minutes. I did the braid out method. We're sealing my ends with the rubber bands, and then voila,